Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the background into your Vidnoz AI video. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website of the Vidnoz and then we have to create our account. And after the account creation, we have to choose that which AI character you want to use. I have choose this. Now what we need to do, simply we have to go to the background option. And after going to the background option, what we have to do, we have to click on that. As you can see now, you have to choose that which background you want to use. For example, I want to use this one. So as you can see now, it will work like this. As you can see, it's looking like a realistic one. So you can play this and you can change the script. If you want to change the background, you can also do that again. So let's choose a different background suitable one. For example, I'm going to choose this one. So as you can see now, this is also a suitable one according to her dress and according to her view. As you can see now, it looks like a realistic one. So in this way, you can add the backgrounds. In this way, you can change the backgrounds on the Windows AI website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this, which is very easy and which is going to be a very useful for your videos. So see you guys in the next video.